In this video, I'll show you how to remove beard from photo by using AI. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, open a browser, then type here Adobe Firefly free, and here we need to click on this website which is on the top, then click on Get Firefly free. Then close this and scroll a bit until you find the option generative fill. So we need to click on generate, and finally we have the option for upload image. So just click here, then select the image which you want to upload. This is the image I want to upload, so I'll just double click on the image. Now the photo is on the page and we just need to select the beard of this person. So for that we just need to use the brush tool, and you can just adjust the brush as well. For that just click on this option and you can just reduce the brush size, increase the brush size. So this size is enough to select the smaller parts like this, and in the larger parts we can just increase the size of the brush. Now you can see I have selected the beard of this person. So in the prompt we need to type remove beard and then just click on generate. Now here we have three results, and here we need to figure out which result is best for us. So in my case the second one is pretty good, so I'm just going to select it. And now I want to remove some black spots from the beard. So for that just click on keep, and now here we need to select the black spots. Like in my case these are some black spots which I want to remove. Once you select the black spots, just click on generate. This time we don't need to type the prompt. And yeah, there you go, you can see the final result. The final result is pretty good. You can check all of these results, and I like the first one, so I can just keep it. If you want to edit some more thing, you can just click on keep and just move ahead. But in my case the results are pretty good, so I'm just going to download this image. So yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can remove the beard from the photo by using AI. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.